Do you know you can start investing in Uganda with as little as 1,000 to 10,000 Ugandan shillings? Yes, you've heard it right. Only 1,000 to 10,000 Ugandan shillings. And most people, even me, I used to think to start investing, you need millions. No, only 1K to 10K, and you start growing your money. Here are 4 practical investments that are beginner friendly, low risk, and actually works, even if you're outside the country. All you need is your phone, and you can start even right now. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss financial tips, financial guidance, or even how to earn passive income in Uganda, even when you're abroad. This is Becky, and welcome back to Beck Brilliant Finance. Investment 1. Why investor with MTN Momo? This is managed by Sanlam Alliance Unit Trust, and you know how Unit Trust works. They invest in treasuries, treasury bond, fixed deposits, which are safe assets with low risk. And one thing I loved it, everything is done on MTN line. This enables MTN customers to start investing with as low as 1K Ugandan shillings and in multiples of 1K. So it means you can start with 1K, but if you want, you can still put 2K, 3K, 10K, 1M. But all you have to know is you start with 1K and you start earning daily interest. And good thing about it, it is compound interest. It's like any other unit trust. Only the difference is this time around, everything is done on phone. Make sure your MTN line is registered in your names. And to start, you just press *165 *7 *1 and hash. Then from there, you register. After registering, then you start investing. As I've said, the good thing when you start investing, you deposit your money and there is no any fee. Only time you want to withdraw, you can withdraw back your money, and immediately when you deposit your money, it starts earning interest. One thing I've loved about why investor, it is so convenient. Another thing I've seen people are saying they don't have bank account back home, so it is good. It means you can start investing in unit trust through why investor even when you don't have bank account. So it means here all you need is having MTN line registered in your name, and everything is done mobile. It's so convenient, beginner friendly, and safe. Good for students, and also good for short-term goals and emergency fund. Compound interest, don't forget that. And also, if you're abroad and you don't have bank account back home and you want to start investing in unit trust, this is really nice. Another thing, if you have any inquiry and any issue, you can still text Sanlam Alliance customer care. They are always there to help. Anytime you text them, they always respond. That's the best of it. 2. NSSF Smart Life. So this is another option. You can start investing with NSSF Smart Life with as little as 5K, and you can top up anytime you want. This is a platform that allows you to invest in personal pension fund even if you're not employed. The good thing with also this investment option, you can put your goals, all of them actually, even why investor, even this NSSF Smart Life, you can set your goals. When you're starting investing, you can tell them what is your goal. Is it you want to buy a car in 6 months? You want to build your home in just 2 years? You want whatever you want to do. What they do, you tell them your goal. When opening account with NSSF Smart Life, there is option where you say what is your goal. So if you say my goal is maybe to be a home owner in 2 years and it will take me 50 million, they do all the calculations for you. To join or to start investing in NSSF Smart Life, all you need is NSSF number first. You can do it this way. You can get it from NSSF. You can go on Google NSSF and you follow the instruction, or you download NSSF Go app from Play Store. So once you download it, you follow the instruction, you register with them. They give you NSSF number through email. Once you get the NSSF number, you can start investing through they give you bank accounts and all that, or using MTN and Airtel by dialing *254# and you follow the instruction. And the good thing about it, it's also compound interest. Also, they have good customer care. You have a WhatsApp number. In case of any problem, you can always reach them. So for me, maybe one thing I noticed when I deposited through mobile money, it took long to be read on the app. So when I asked customer care, they told me when you deposit the money, it reads on the app after 3 working days, but it's already earning you interest. So it's also daily interest and compound interest. 3. Zeno investment platform. Zeno is also a unit trust platform where you can start investing with them with as low as 10K Ugandan shillings, and you can do it in multiples of 10K Ugandan shillings. The good thing also, they are compound interest and you can deposit anytime you want. It is also using mobile money. All this option I'm giving you, you don't need to go to the bank, you don't need bank account. All you need is national ID and any MTN number registered in your names. So it means in case you don't have bank account, well, this is also another option. Zeno also, you can do it only on mobile money. So you can also dial *165# and go to the investments, follow, you will see Zeno and you register with them. After registering, they will send you also even email or back on your phone, the message, and that is it. If you don't have any bank account, start with this one. Also, you can set with them the goals, what you want, and they do calculations for you and how much, if you want to do it weekly, monthly, if it is just weekly, monthly. So they can set you a goal. You can set a goal with them and you know how much you have to pay so that you reach on your goal. Lastly, number 4, MTN Momo savings or more cash. This is not main the investment fund, but it is a great starter if you want to start investing in other things, but you don't have all that money to start. So more cash gives you a room because you can start saving with more cash with any amount, even below 1K. And the good thing, it is also on mobile and there is interest. One thing I like about more cash, sometimes you find you have money you want to use in 1 week, but you don't want to put it in unit trust or anywhere. And even you're not sure if that money you're going to use maybe next week, or you want to use it in evening or tomorrow. So what I always do, if I have my money on mobile money, I always put it on more cash. And you'll be surprised that sometimes that money, you don't forget, but you'll be like, I'm going to do this thing next week, and you find you've not done it. You're like, next week. So that money stays there 2 weeks, and you find in 2 weeks you've earned interest. So another thing that some people, you may find that even it doesn't have 1K, maybe students or our kids home and they have mobile money. Why not? They can start saving that money, 500 shillings, 1K shillings with more cash. They put it there, and when you put it there, you forget even, because when you're checking the amount that are remaining on your mobile money, you don't see that money. So you'll find that your money is there with more cash, earning interest for you. All you need to start is just dial *1*6# and you follow the instruction. Also, sometimes if you want to know your discipline with money, you can start with more cash, because what you do, you start saving little money and see if that money you can leave it when someone has asked you something or you want something. Just check your discipline. If you want to check your saving discipline, start with more cash. Put that money on more cash. So you don't need millions to start investing in Uganda. Let me know in the comment section which investment are you going to start with. Maybe before I finish, there is this way sometimes when you're sending your money and you have remained with 2K on your mobile money, 3K, 5K, and you'll be like, I'll use it for airtime. And that money is sending it to buy airtime for others or even buy airtime when you don't need it. So what you can do, you can start with all these investment, either NSSF, Smart Life, or you can start with Steno, or you can go for Y Investor, Mokasha, and all that. So which of these 4 investments are you excited to start with? Put it in the comment section. And in case you want to know more about any of those 4 investments, ask me anything in the comment section. I'll respond. And if you want to take investment knowledge further, I have some videos about treasury treasury bonds, money market funds, and all. I'm going to link them in my description below. After listening to this, you can go and check on them and get to know maybe you don't want to invest, you have more than 10K, then you can explore more of the investment option. I'm going to link my videos on description below. Go and watch them. I'm so happy that you're watching this till the end. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends. They may need this investment option. Don't forget subscribe. This is Becky. See you in my next video. Bye bye.